Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have Allure beauty box today. I go back and forth on whether or not I love Allure. Sometimes I really love it and sometimes I don't really love it, and I think it depends on like the powerhouse item. So if there's an item in here that's usually a lot more than the rest of the items, if I don't love that item, I don't love the box. And then if I do love that item, I love the rest of the box. So that is just a triggering item for me. And that's how their box has been. I think mostly I disliked it before because their price went up and then their quality didn't go up with their price. But I do think they're starting to make a little bit of a difference for that. The box says Summer Lovin'. I don't know how to tell what month the box is for, but you know, we're just gonna open it, we're just gonna talk about the products because you guys like to hear about products and ingredients on all the things anyways. Looks like right away, the star product is a product from a brand that I love, Glow Recipe, probably one of my favorite brands, and I am really into their watermelon line. So this is Watermelon Glow. This is their niacinamide drops, dew drops, and let me bring her out. The watermelon scent on these is really strong, so if you are, it's delicious though. It's like the fake Jolly Rancher watermelon, but it's so good. But it is strong. If you're sensitive to scent, this is not, you're not going to want this on your face all day. Some of them do dissipate throughout the day and some don't. So just be careful because it is kind of a strong scent. So like I said, this is going to be anti-aging because it has a niacinamide in there. Also has sodium hyaluronate, which is my favorite form of hyaluronic acid. And that is the type of hyaluronic acid that plumps from within. As the name might suggest, it does have watermelon extract, which is full of antioxidants. And yeah, do you think this looks shinier? Glowier? Dewier? I don't know. It smells good. This product is full size at 40 milliliters for $35 US. The next product is full size as well. Put it there, so that's still on screen. From Saturday Skin, another brand that I like, not necessarily love. I don't hate Saturday Skin, but I think that some people like it way more than what it's worth. Give it more credit than it's worth. Their Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Ooh, it has 7 peptides, 7 peptide mix formula found to reveal your everyday glow. This one also has niacinamide and it has shea butter. It's a moisturizer, so you want some moisturizing ingredients in it as well. So again, an anti-aging product. The niacinamide also helps reduce redness. So if you have red skin, that helps a little bit as well. It also has a lot of fruit extracts. So if you have any allergies, you're gonna have to check this out. I'm not gonna read them all just because I don't have the time and I wanna be able to edit this to try to get it up in this week. So we're going to speed through this a little bit more than normal. This one also has a lot of citrus extracts, fruit extracts in general. Plant extracts has eucalyptus, grapefruit, orange, rosemary, a bunch. Lots of stuff in here. I do see those probiotics in there and the lactobacillus ferment. There's actually a bunch of them. They all have a bunch of different names that end in ferment. Ugh. I don't know why that word grosses me out. Then I see all the peptides down at the end. Peptides are building blocks for proteins, or like the building blocks for collagen or different things like that, what our skin is made of. And so that really, having the building blocks helps your own skin make more, if that makes any sense. Let's take it out. Let's see what it feels like. I'm probably not going to keep this because it has a silicone in it, it has dimethicone in it. And any sort of moisturizer or primer or something that goes directly on my skin is one of the first things, like sunscreen, and then is on there all day and goes all over. So like a moisturizer I would put over my entire face. I do try to stay away from silicones. I definitely still use products with silicone, but it's my preference to stay away. There's so many good moisturizers that don't have them. It is already kind of smoothing though. I feel like there is a little bit of a primer effect, maybe because of that silicone. I feel that. We'll see how long that takes to sink in. Smells citrusy. Definitely smells like all those citrus extracts that we read were in this one. Again, 45 milliliters, another full-size item, and the retail value for that is $45. So we're doing well already when we're talking about how much this box is worth. Next we have something from Evita. I don't have time to look it up, but you will see it on screen right now. Is Evita a cruelty-free brand? Yes or no? But is a hair care brand. This is a leave-in conditioner. This is obviously a sample size. It's a spray. Ooh, that smells really good too. All of these are very scented. So this box is if you like scent, and they're all fruity scents as well, very summery. This is a lot of cool extracts as well. Again, check if you're allergic to something. And then this has a lot of oils. It's a leave-in conditioner. I don't know why I put it on my hand instead of my hair, but we'll just do this now. It says it's gonna smooth frizz, so we'll see how great my hair looks. Moving on, another sample, because this is pretty small, 30 milliliters, and it is a body lotion from To Coom. We are vegan. Our products contain Amazon bioactive ingredients. Love that. Love vegan. Doesn't say cruelty-free on here. 97% natural origin. Really love that. Of course, it has a little seal, so let's open this because I want to see what it smells like, even though my hand already smells like so many things. Put it here. I don't know what I would call this scent. It's like ambery. Not woodsy, but warm. A warm scent. It's okay, but it feels great. I feel the like moisturization already. It feels really intense. It has a lot of seed butters, and it says made in Brazil, so some of those are tropical seed butters, probably most of them. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. That's it. It's a nutty scent. It smells really good. Really excited about the next brand. It's interesting to me because we have two hair products. It's okay because they are different. One is a rinse and one is a leave-in conditioner. This, though, I'm so excited. I love anything tea tree in my hair because I like that tingly feel. So this company is one that I do love. It says removes buildup and adds shine. And a special detox kombucha rinse. Hair care, pioneered in cruelty-free, post-consumer recycled bottle. All of our favorite things here. Great for color-treated hair as well. Okay. It's clarifying, so that means it's going to deep clean. It says it exfoliates and removes buildup with a probiotic-rich blend of kombucha and apple cider vinegar. I really hope it doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar. I hope it smells more like the tea tree. Smells great. Smells tea tree. I love tea tree. Some people hate it, but I love it. I love that scent. Very natural. This has to be full size as well. 6.8 ounces, $28.50. See, Allura is killing it now. For a while, I was ready to cancel. I almost did cancel, but it's not easy to cancel for them for some reason. I think I tried and it didn't work out. Next, I have a cleansing balm. This says One Step Makeup and Blackhead Remover. It's like a butter, super thick. Now the bottom of my nail is gonna have to be yellow, or hopefully we can melt this balm right here. I don't really smell a scent on this one. This looks like it's K-Beauty. It says made in Korea. I don't know if this is cruelty-free or not. I do know everything manufactured in Korea is cruelty-free, like in the process of it being made, but that does not mean that they are cruelty-free, because if they sell in mainland China, or if they have some of their suppliers or anything like that, like there's other ways why they could be not cruelty-free. So just because something is made in Korea does not always guarantee it's cruelty-free. Still have to look it up. I've never heard of April Skin, and it doesn't say anything on here about the cruelty-free status. This is 90 milliliters is $28. There's no way this is 90 milliliters, but I don't know how much this is. So I'll probably say like a tenth of that, so $2. $2.80 for this little guy. This is actually my least favorite thing in this box, so I'm really glad that it's the smallest thing. Everything else I think I could use. I might not use the moisturizer just because of silicone, but I might. It's unlikely. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite item? What was your least favorite item? We never do that. I know we keep it positive though, or we try to keep it positive. I guess I'm not always positive. But what was your least favorite item from this box? Was it the same as mine, the cleansing balm? That's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!